You are with me, yeah? Just drop one on the chat, drop one on the chat, drop one on the chat. Drop one on the chat, drop one on the chat. Is your man, the profitable trader. Now, as I was saying, so on 1 hour time frame, as you can see, so the market respects here. We haven't got this retracement here. One also here, this is more or less bullish and coffee, but market dropped down when it got to that same level. Same thing here. So Melia is like, so it okay. It respected my trend line. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. So the next candlestick that opened came out and boom, it went down and like came back up, respect that zone. So immediately respected it, I said, I knew that this market is going to what? Sell. So what I just basically did was 1 ratio, 1 ratio 2 basically. So I entered an entry. Immediately I saw that rejection on lower time frame. I'm going to go to my lower time frame 15 minutes now. But I want to show you something here first. So immediately I saw that rejection there, I went to 15 minutes straight up. Let me go to 15 minutes so you can understand what I'm saying better. So I went to 15 minutes straight up here, and I knew that the market is going to drop. So it came down here first. Market came down from here. Came down here and boom, it went up to the sky and gave me this M pattern, and I need, oh okay, I can enter for a sale, and boom. So I just basically just did 1 ratio 2. Don't mind this. So I just basically did 1 ratio 2. Mind you, I use a Naira trade account. So it was just 1 ratio. In fact, it was 1 ratio 2 I actually did, not 1 ratio 4. Because it gave me a long time. So and that was around evening. So I just basically did 1 ratio 2. And boom. I had it and I was out. I was out around these years. Around for the 330 something, 31 or 30. Then I was out. So basically now, as you can see now, this morning I'm not going to delete all this my trend line with them. I'm still going to leave it. So and that's because initially we have a what we are expecting initially. Let me take it back. Let me take it back. Let me take it back. Oh, wait. So 1 minute, I'm trying to take it back. Oh shit. Okay, it's not bad. We still have idea of what we are waiting for. So then we are waiting for it at the overall one candlestick retracement on 1 hour time frame here, which is this level. That's where we have been waiting for it since yesterday. And boom. And I'm going to tell you 2 reasons why I'm actually waiting for it there. Now the market is still a downtrend. I will only think the market is fully out of downtrend totally if eventually breaks this area. And now if you check all this level here now, the market has just been rejecting. Now it's trying to add a push up here. Now it's going that again. Now mind you, if you check, the market that is dropping was dropping basically one candlestick retracement all over. Same thing here is one candlestick retracement, and that's why we have massive drop, which is more or less bullish engulfing. And I told you one of the things I look at for my candlestick complex pattern is one candlestick. No, sorry, is engulfing, which is more or less one candlestick retracement. Do you get? So basically, as you can see, the market dropped massively to this down, but overall there's a level here, trend line level here. Then if you go to 15 minutes also, let me shrink it for you so that you know previously there was also a rejection previously in that same level. So definitely the market is going to come there and respect it. So you can see, let me change the color first. 1 minute. I hope you guys are with me, guys. I hope you guys are with me. I hope we are together this morning. We are analyzing together. So here to see trade. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, there is a rejection previously. So more or less, there was a resistance at that level. So which that resistance has automatically become or will definitely become a support here. Now, if the market break this level on lower time frame above, as the one candlestick breaks it up and closes, then I'm going to be looking for a buy, not more a sell. It's going to be a buy. It's not going to be more a sell again. It's going to be more of a buy. So that means all the market has closed enough highs that the market has created. So I'm just going to be, so if you close above here, let's assume market eventually comes this way, anywhere from this level, and we're close above here. All I will just basically wait for a retracement down, then back. I will start targeting the buy. So it will have basically this. Now will be my order. So this will not be my bias. This level here. Look for one candlestick confirmation, one candlestick pattern confirmation, or on what time frame a chart pattern, and I'm going to take it up to the sky. So that means definitely the buy we are expecting is about to happen. Oh, guys, clap, clap. I hope you guys are with me. So I'm going to be taking it up to the sky, to the sky, to the sky, to this level. Then wait whether it breaks it that level overall or still comes down. So that's going to be my bias this morning or today. So that's basically simple and short. See, analysis should not be so complex. Make it so simple. Mind you, this sell is happening right now, but I wouldn't want to enter because I got in so late. I got in on my chart, so late. Now, if you can see, market is still respecting that same level since yesterday. So you just did a kind of breakout, start fake out somehow, and start dropping. Now, mind you, if you have to check, there's an alignment of trend line here. Let me see if I can get a trend line for you. Yeah, perfect. So you see, or better still, trend line works a lot. Trend line, okay, yeah, I got it. Yeah, so you see, there was a rejection here, 1, 2, and I think that's why it's dropping. But that, by the way, I aren't entering this market. I aren't entering it. So I'll be patient. I'll be patient. Now another thing I can do again is here. I can put a level here, and that's because market has respected this level for quite a lot. One, before it breaks it down, comes, it went up, came down, went up, came down. Now let's see whether it's going to break this level. If it breaks it, then probably could short from here down here. But if it doesn't break this, so we are, I was still waiting. So basically, my my overall bias breakout will be this level here. See, it's more or less in this box. Let me box it like this. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. So if it breaks it down, I take down sell. If it breaks it up, I take up sell. So that's basically what I'm looking at this morning, guys. That's what I'm looking at this morning, guys. So hope you guys are good and see you in New York section. So basically that's all for this morning. That's all for this morning. Any questions? Do you have anybody have any questions? please come on board, drop your questions. And if you want to learn how to trade the forex market, I'm more than available for you. So just come on board. We are not yet to billion. No, I'm not a trainer or I'm not a tutor that probably I don't need your money. Truth be told, market is giving my money in my little capacity, in my little way, taking it one step at a time. So you want to learn how to do the forex market, how to analyze with simplicity. Just let me know. All this you are seeing on the my chart, all this line are basically trend line and support and resistance line basically on higher time frame. I mark the zones out on higher time frame. That's what you are seeing here. Hope you are with me, guys. Hope you are with me. So that's just all basically. That's just all. So any question of the day? If you don't have any, can we get going and let's just monitor what we have. So if you want to have a view of my analysis, go and watch this video on YouTube, on the YouTube channel, on my TikTok. I'm going to post this video today live on TikTok. So go and learn from it basically. Go and learn from it basically. I use I call it SIMPAT, simple price action strategy. Simple. Just trend line basically. Trend line support and resistance or supply and demand. Then parted with either candlestick or chart pattern. I'm done. Now as you can see, now look at it. 15 minutes giving us this kind of candlestick, but see, let us see. It's trying to respect this zone, but never say never. But mind you, know we have boxes area, so let's see what's gonna come out of that box, whether upward or downward. So that all being said, see you in my what? My next video. Or see you in New York section. So we are done with our London session this morning. Guys, peace out. Love you.